Today on this episode of What It Looks Like, we have Amy's Bowl's Mexican Casserole. It says that it's made with organic corn and beans. So we're going to check it out, see what it smells like, what it tastes like, and what it looks like, starting now.
Wanna go to the store, wanna get some. Wanna go to the store, wanna eat some. The food on the box look good, don't it? Should you buy it, should you wait, should you jump on it? You wanna know if it good, does it taste right? Wanna try before you buy it, what it looks like? Hey, what it looks like? Hey, what it looks like? Wanna go to the store, wanna get some. Wanna go to the store, wanna eat some. What it looks like? Hey, what it looks like?
All right, let's get her open up here. See what we're working with. Looks interesting. I was debating if I'm gonna put this in the oven or the microwave, but I think we'll do the microwave this time. Just to make a 1-inch cut in the center. It's about an inch. But before we see what it looks like, let's check out the nutritional facts. Servings per container, 1. Serving size, 1 bowl. Calories, 370. Total fat, 16 grams. Saturated fat, 5 grams. Trans fat, 0 grams. Cholesterol, 20 milligrams. Sodium, 370 milligrams. That is low on sodium. Total carbohydrates, 45 grams. Dietary fiber, 6 grams. Total sugars, 4 grams. Protein, 12 grams. And now, let's see what it looks like. What it looks like is I'm missing some cheese compared to the box. Look how much cheese on the picture on the box here. Definitely don't have enough cheese on there. And it looks somewhat pasty too compared to the box. It looks more, I don't know, like you can really see how the ingredients are more separate. Whereas here, it looks like a paste, which I was kind of suspect from when I saw it before it was cooked. When it was frozen, the meat and the beans looked like it was part of a frozen paste almost. Other than that, it does kind of sort of look like the box besides that, but I'm definitely missing some cheese. I don't know if I like the way it smells. It smells like, I think the only thing I can smell is the enchilada sauce. I don't smell any corn. I can't smell any cheese. I don't smell beans. I mean, it does smell like a Mexican dish, but I can't really tell because the only thing I can smell is the flavor of the enchilada sauce. That's it. Even when it was cooking, that's all you could smell was just that one scent that comes from this dish. And yeah, I can't smell anything else. I don't think I like this one either. It really has no flavor whatsoever. And what I smell, that enchilada sauce is very bland. And it's got something in here. I think it's like a potato or something. I don't know what this is. Let me try it again. Yeah, I think it's some kind of potato. Let's see if it says anything about that on the box. It has no flavor. Nope, I don't see anything about. All it says is that it's made with organic beans and corn. But man, it'd be nice if it was made with some flavor because that part is missing. I don't taste any of the cheese either. Now the corn does taste a little sweet, but it does not make up for this dish. So it is it's not that great. No bueno. Yeah, no, it's not good. And don't even try it. Yeah, see, this is why we try it out for you, because if you just went by the box, look at that box. It looks so delicious. It looks like it's gonna have a lot of flavor. It's got a lot of cheese in it. But that's why we try these things out for you, so you can see what it smells like, what it tastes like, and what it looks like. And so you don't go waste your money at the grocery store and then end up having to find or make something else to eat because you are still hungry.
Welcome to the W.I.L.L Awards, where the contestants will be judged on smell, taste, and of course, what it looks like. Each contestant must score at least 20 points.
And let's go to the judges on the first category of smell. Ooh, 3. Next up is taste. 3. And now for that all-important category, what it looks like. 5. Boo! Boo! Glad to see you came back to watch another one of our videos. You know, we're gonna keep showing you what it smells like, what it tastes like, and of course, you know it, what it looks like. So what I need for you to do right now is to like and subscribe today. Don't make me come over there, okay? Do it today. If you see something at the grocery store you want us to try for you, you leave me a comment down below, and if I can find it for you, I'll show you what it looks like.
No animals were harmed in the making of this video. However, they may or may not have been harmed in the making of the contestant. But we had nothing to do with that. We promise, honestly, you can trust us.